Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Muskie, Mickey Mouse, welcome to the clubhouse. It is time for roll call. Can you find these friends? Spring cleaning makes Donald sneeze, and he bumps right into April shower maker. Look for find things to help you find friends tidy up. Spring from April, shower maker bounced away. Without rain, the plants will need water. Look for these things that hold water. Mickey spots the spring at a trampoline farm. The toddlers is ready to help you new Mexican tools. Look at these tools from the past adventures. The spring bounced up trampoline stalk. Toodles has a balloon mouse tool to help. One way up, look for these cloud shapes in the sky. Willie the Giant thinks the spring is a toy. Mickey trades bounce ball Mexican tool for the spring. Find some Willie's other giant-sized tools. The mastery musket tool, a parachute brought by his friends. Back to home. Now the April shower maker is fixed. Everyone come to celebrate. Note to parents, here are some additional activities for you and your child. Each suggests activity focused on a different skill. From coloration to rhythm grouping, you and your child will probably come up with even more ideas to look and find activities you read together. Making pals grow beautiful flowers in the garden again. The flowers of different colors and patterns. A rainbow flower. Pink polka dot flowers. 3 bull checkered flowers, yellow strip flowers, pink flowers, bunch of 6 green star flowers, 7 purple zigzag flowers, and red heart flowers.